hanging, and you never told us?
Alright guys, so you're going to want to start off by going to Google, and I'm typing in Nike logo. You can type in whichever logo you want. Then you're going to go ahead and click images and find one of the logos that you like, right click it and save it to your computer. Then you can go ahead and open it up, and I know on Macs they have this zoom in, zoom out feature, so I'm going to go ahead and zoom in and out until I have the image in the size that I want my logo to be. Now I'm taking some line paper and a pencil, and I'm just gonna go ahead and trace this logo all the way around. And you want to try your best to get it nice and neat, but it doesn't have to be completely perfect because you can fix all those straight edges with the scissors when you cut it out. Okay, so now that I have traced it, you can see my K is a little high, but that's okay because in this step, I'm just going to take my scissors and cut completely across, and now they are all nice and even. So now what you're going to do is just take your time to cut out this entire image, and it's super simple. Like I said, the scissors help to make your edges nice and straight if they weren't before when you drew it on. So just go ahead and cut out this whole image, and your N and your I will be separate, and then the K and the E and the swoosh will all be connected together. So this is the transfer paper that I'm using. I got this from Michael's for $5, and as you can see here, there's this super shiny pretty side, and that's the side that's going to show. Then when you flip it over, it's dull. So I like to work on the dull side, and when you work on the dull side, you have to also flip your image so that it's backwards. That way, when you flip it over to the nice shiny side, it will be readable. So now what I'm doing is just taking this Sharpie, and this is why I like to work on the wrong side, because I don't want any ink to show on the right side. So I'm just taking a Sharpie and tracing out the image as best as I can. And once I'm done with that, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut these shapes out. Now I just want y'all to do me a favor and ignore the ash on my hands. I don't know why they're so ashy, but ew, that is so embarrassing. But also, I think that this ring light is making it look brighter and ashier than it actually is. But anyway, this is what it looks like now. And again, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut out the shape of this image and this logo. And I want to cut off as much of the red as possible so that it doesn't show through. But this is why I like to work on the back, because if I do leave a little bit on there, it won't be as noticeable. So just take your time, cut these pieces out as nice and neatly as you possibly can. So once you have cut out all of the logo, this is what it'll look like, exactly how you want it to look. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Okay, so now you're gonna take your bra or whatever garment of choice you have, and then I got this bra from Walmart for $7, and I'm just gonna go ahead and take out these little bra inserts so that it's nice and flat while I iron on my logo. So this is essentially what you're going to do. I'm turning it towards me so I can see it better and make sure it's nice and even. See, this is the part where that light had my hands looking too ashy. Like, that is not how they actually look. But anyway, you're just going to take a piece of fabric and put it on top and then iron it down for about 30 seconds to a minute. And of course, if you take the fabric off and it's not completely adhered yet, you can just go ahead and iron it again. Now this part, I tried to put the eye down while the fabric was still hot, and my eye got all crinkled up, so I had to recut it. So just wait till until your fabric cools to put the other two pieces of the logo down. Otherwise, if you try to move it, it's not gonna work. So once you're done, this is what it'll look like, and I love it. So now all I need to do is go ahead and put these inserts back in, and I will be good to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. And also, if you're interested in seeing other videos that I made with the same transfer paper, check out my playlist, and I will have some linked at the end of this video. So thank you guys, and I'll see you next time.